Good time, everybody, and hello. I would like really to review this old radio. Maybe some of you recognized it. It's a very old one, and it's a Soviet Union production. If you read here, let's just try to read the information found at the back. Exporter stool, is it a stool or a stall? We don't know. Dortmund, Western Germany. Because at that time Germany was divided into two halves. Here says the fax 731263, which I can assure you 100% that it's not found today at all. Made in USSR, and that is United Soviet Union Republics. That tells you how much this thing is very old. I don't know, 70 years maybe? Around 70 years. This is where we can put the batteries. It takes 6 batteries, 12 volts, size D, and I don't know, because I've repaired it in the past. I bought it as a second hand. Actually, I bought 3 pieces and developed from them this one, which is working and nice. But I stored it long time ago, until, like, for example, I stored it like 3 years. Then I remembered it. I really want to have share some information about it with you. Here you can see here, this is the EC plug. It is written here, EC from 220 to 240 volts. You can read 50 to 60 hertz, 5 volt. No wonder it is 5 volts, because it's really containing a lot of metals inside. There are a lot of heavy metals inside. Mostly every part is fixed and attached to a metal thing. Here, this symbol means maybe it can be, is it cassette recorder, for example? I don't know, but it seems to me that it is for cassette recorder here, meaning that you can connect it to a cassette recorder to record the audio. Here, earpiece. You can see this is for headphones. 80 ohms. Oh my god, it is very old. So we will try to operate it. As you can see here, let's put the battery like this here. It takes 6 pieces. Okay. Alright, so you can see here, this is the board. Just starts from right to left, and it has a level to show you the audio level and also the batteries level. You can operate it from here. This is on or off. This is, I don't know what is it for. This one is for the light inside, to be able to light all these things here. Alright, and this is for tuning. This is for the tone also. You can make it sharp and make it maybe, this one is for I forget, I don't know what is it for. It's controlling the audio, but I don't, maybe this is, no, this is the volume. Those two things control the audio, making the audio sharp and making the audio, smooth, and these things. This one here it is for bands. You choose the band from here, like that. See? And once you choose a band, you can see it here, because now we are on the FM, right? Then we have LW, low wave. I don't know, LW is not working anymore, right? We have MW. We have shortwave 5, shortwave 4, shortwave 3, shortwave 2, shortwave 1, and again FM, because you can see them here. We have the LW, you have the MW, and those are the lines. As I said, it is starting from the right to left, from here to here. Okay, so let's put it on and see what. First we'll put it on the FM. This one to make the audio deep and shallow, right? And this one to make the audio sharp or smooth. This is the volume. This is a local home broadcasting channel. It's found 2 rooms away from here.
This section is usually fat.
فإذ عليها غبرة ترهقها قتر.
غير أن وكالة بلومبرغ نقلت عن مسؤولين أمريكيين.
فوجدوا في أوائل نهاية خلافة عثمان ووقت.
Very effective. Let us see what we've got at the end of.
النساء والأطفال ومركز الرعاية الصحية الأولية في مستشفى رفيق الحديث الحكومية الجامعية.
We have to bear in mind that we are in the middle of the summer, and mostly when we are at the middle of the summer, the ionosphere is not strong enough to reflect the radio waves back. So mostly you will not find a lot of channels, but it's very effective.
مالية تبلغ $1.5 مليون ومن المقرر أن يتم تسليم
المعلمات.
مركز الرعاية الصحية الأولية المنتشرة على الأراضي اللبنانية لدعم الصحة الإنجابية.
It's W5, shortwave 5, which if you just track it from here, it gives you the wavelength 49 meters. In this case you have to stick up the antenna like this. As I said, we are at the middle of the summer, because if we are at the winter, for example, it's going to be better for receiving the broadcasting channel.
Last year, there was a free voting.
Let's go to 4. SW4. SW4 is meter 30, 31. Right? SW3 is meter 45. 2 is meter 90. Wavelength. Wavelength is 60 meters when you put it on SW1. Alright. Some nice. Oh, it's the light. Let's give it one second. Okay, this is the light. Very weak. Very weak, but nice. SW3. Maybe if I was outside the room or outdoor, it's going to be better for receiving. Anyway, thank you very much for watching.